Hi guys, and welcome to today's vlog. So I haven't posted a vlog in a very long time, like probably, we're gonna come up on a year, like in August, that I haven't vlogged. And hopefully, okay, so I have tried to vlog, didn't finish the whole day, deleted like videos, like basically like I record, delete, and nothing ever gets posted because I just don't know, I'm just kind of in a funk with YouTube. I feel YouTube in general is like dying, but I do have a following on here, so I want to post and I want to get back into doing vlogs. And I can definitely say that I've probably changed also a lot. I've been going through a lot of change. I've been changing, life changes, yeah. So if I seem different, that's probably why. I'm grown now, just kidding. But I just have a different outlook on life, and I think I'm ready to start vlogging again. I hope I can find like passion in it again. I've really been enjoying TikTok. It's kind of like mindless, like you just take a quick clip and then you post it. That's it. Like for me, vlogs just take so much more, like editing, cutting, music, non-copyrighted music, like that drives me insane, you guys. The non-copyrighted music, like I can't even deal. But anyway, I have a lot of errands to run today. I need to cancel my Planet Fitness membership. I don't want to talk about it. I'm gonna go to Goodwill probably just to go. I need to go to Walmart. What else do I need to do? Oh, I need to go to the bank, but I won't vlog that because that's salon owner things, and it's just depositing money. But just letting you know, I need to go to the bank. I'm gonna have a bonfire with my friends tonight, and just like little doodads and chores around the house. But yeah, come with me. This is my outfit today. Necklaces, jewelry. I just got a new tattoo. It is so cute. Goodbye. Literally goodbye. I've gotten a few since the last time I vlogged. I'm kind of starting like a patchwork sleeve, so that's gonna be a thing eventually. And then this romper. I know this like angle's so terrible, but let's go.
Baby shampoo, and come and save me. I've been missing lady luck ever since she started hating. I've been waking up too early. I miss our crazy hazes in the middle of the night. Watch the stars from different places. And the phases we call love won't ever start to change. But do you ever wake up feeling like everything is strange? We should buy a
I just finished up at Goodwill. There's so much traffic coming, so I'm just gonna sit here. It was a success for sure. I found a bunch of gold frames. I found a pair of vintage Wrangler shorts. I'm like crossing my fingers that they look cute on me and that they fit me, because shorts for me are like I found a pair of Gap shorts, an American Eagle tank top, but that is it. I really want to find gold frames for sure, because I want to do like in the new salon, which I don't even think I've talked about that on here. Hold on, let me merge on, which basically we're expanding. I call it the new salon, but we're staying in the same spot, but we're doubling in size. Well, I'm sorry guys, you're just gonna have to have it shake on ya, but yeah, we are expanding, doubling in size, staying in the same place. There's a warehouse space behind the salon currently, and like basically we've already started the expansion. It's already in construction, should be completed within the next few weeks, and then they're gonna move to the front half and remodel completely the front half of the salon. But yeah, like I mentioned earlier, this past year has just brought on a lot of change in the business, change my personal life, change, like everything is changed. Like nothing is the same as it was. as everything works out the way it's supposed to, and it's all for the greater good, you know. But yeah, a lot of change, a lot of new things, a lot of different things happening, and I'm so excited. I have so many ideas for the new salon. But anyway, like I was saying, I want to do a gallery wall. Like, gallery walls are like my shit. Like, I just love to like look at stuff, and if it adds interest, and I like, ooh, what's that? Different kooky, weird, quirky things I want to add all over the walls, and I want it to be super like Instagram worthy, where like there's selfie walls and there's just a lot of interest and you want to take pictures, and that's the plan. And then also I want to eventually like add to the boutique area. We want to like double the size for the boutique area and sell a bunch of cool shit. So yeah, hopefully I continue vlogging and you guys can follow along with that. And if I don't, check it out on TikTok or follow us on all of our other platforms for the salon. Oh, we also changed the name of the salon. It used to be Peachykeensalon and Beauty Bar, but now it's Peachykeensalon and Beauty Bungalow, just because I felt like Beauty Bar just didn't resonate anymore, and it's just overdone. There's like another salon in our area that like basically took the same name as us, which is fine. You know, I didn't come up with, it's not original, you know, Peachy, whatever. Anyone can use it. I don't own it, technically, I guess, but whatever. So they ended up also becoming Beauty Bar, so I was like, let's do Beauty Bungalow. I feel like that aligns more with us and who we are, and we're more of a bungalow now. It's a bunch of plants and it's hippie and it's healing and wellness, and yeah, so bungalow it is. So that's my rant. Next we are going to Walmart. I'm in the garden section, and they have so much cute stuff. Oh my god, I have to show you. I hate when this happens. This happened to me probably 2 times before this time, where I'm wearing this necklace, this black chain, you see? It's all together, and I swear, like, this is literally how I just had it on. And I heard, look, I'll keep twirling it. You see, there's no pendant on it. Well, normally, that's on it. And, oh my god, this fucking dog is staring at me. Anyway, this happened twice, where I heard this clack, clack, clack. I heard it on the ground. I was like, what is that? And it's the freaking eagle eye pendant. But like, you see my necklace, it's fully intact, it's not broken. Okay, well, I just ripped it off. Literally, you saw that. I ripped it off. It was on me. And how's, I don't understand. Can somebody tell me why that happens? Literally, it's fully intact. This is not broken. There's no way at all it could have come off. No way. Literally, this just came off. It's not broken. Literally, I popped it off. But you saw it was completely like latched around my neck. The pendant itself doesn't have any like little gaps. It's literally like soldered together metal. So how, when this is looped together, how did this come off? Like, there's no way. No way. That's some like spiritual shit right there. That is like some huevo egg cleansing. I didn't loop it. Hold on. Egg cleansing type of stuff right there, because there's just no way that this just can magically detach from its chain. And like I said, it's happened to me maybe 2 times before, and I've tried to like find stories of it happening to other people, but there's like nothing out there. I even checked like Reddit, everything. And I only saw maybe like one thing, and it was just like, oh, like it protected, the evil eye did its job, it protected you from harm's way, or negative energy sent your way. And I'm just like, dude, that's crazy. Just finished up at Walmart. I found such cute stuff, like American Eagle dupe pants. Like, OMG. Like, if these are like a dupe, I'm gonna be mad. But these are colors that American Eagle didn't have. They're like muslin cloth. Hold on. I don't know, I can't grab them. But anyway, yeah, I'm about to go to the bank right now. Bye, Planet Fitness. I don't go anyway. So, yeah, just canceled my Planet Fitness membership. I haven't been probably in like 6 months or more, and I've been paying for it every month. So, yeah. I just got home, so we did some damage today. These are all the hangers I got, because I needed to put some clothes away. And literally this is everything I got while I was out. That's already my purse, but all these vintage frames, vintage Wrangler shorts. These are Gap shorts, American Eagle top. These curtains, goodbye. You just wait until I hang them up. OMG, they're so cute. These are the American Eagle pant dupes I was talking about. The muslin cloth or whatever. I need a deodorant. Look at this beauty. Oh my god. I can't wait to turn her on. He's such a cutie. This incense box from the first store. I went and got these curtains after I found these. And I just have all kinds of stuff in there. But yeah, guys, this is such a great haul. Hold on. There was one of these. It was so cute. Oh yeah. Look at this. The Willow Fairy. I'm literally keeping this in here. Goodbye. Don't mind like the mess, but here is the before. I didn't have a curtain in front of this window. It's just like that little blind thing. So I went and got these super cheap hangers, and we're gonna hang these up that we found at the thrift. So cute. And they've got butterflies, so let's do it.
I'm still in love with my ex and it's just my luck. Wish I didn't care so much, cause me and her don't make sense and it bugs me up. I'm still in love but love sucks.
So I had this one, so I hung this up in here. Look. This is the print, so you get a feel for it. I freaking love it. I don't care what anyone says. And then this one in here. And I still have 2 more curtains. So if I wanted to, I could put one like mid-length here and just be, it would be like that. Cover all that. I don't know though. I just feel like it makes the space look so freaking cozy. I love it so much. Okay, and now I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna put it right here. So watch me do that. Now this is how this little corner looks. I'm obsessed. I always thought this corner needed a light. So now I have like the most perfect one. We'll turn on a low setting. Like that is just gorgeous.